Sled came out of Oklahoma. We have 6 weights that weigh approximately 1,700 pounds apiece. It's a high-performance sled, stopped to open class tractors and just about anything that we hook onto it.
So Mike had never sled pulled with a truck this high before. He's a little worried about front drivetrain breakage because of the drive shaft angle. Maybe not enough tire traction because the pressure was too high. But he pulled it 300 feet. It was hopping pretty good, but he had the right power to weight ratio to get it done. What'd you think about Georgia's run?
It was pretty good.
Not bad for a guy who'd never done it before.
Yeah.
I know that the buzz in the pits here is everybody's convinced that you're gonna hit that orange building down there at the end of the run.
The porta john down there.
Are your brakes working okay?
I don't know about go that far. The traction's not that good.
Is there a lot of pressure in being everybody's favorite to win type of thing, or?
I don't know. I've done this enough times. As long as I don't break, I think I'll.